Hi, my name is Ahmed Arabi. Welcome to you to my channel Ahmed Arabi for play games. I will play Brain It on the Trunk. Let's go. One minute. Oh yeah! I will play. Back. Play number 3. Take this on. Play this. This game is very easy, but there is things very difficult. Okay, Obama. Oh no. Oh yeah. Thug life. Da la 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 la. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh. This is very easy. Ha ha. What? Yeah. I'm very jealous. Ooh. Very easy. Shit. Piece of shit. Fuck. We'll play this. Fuck. Thug life. Oh. What the fuck? Fucking this fucking thing. What? No. Oh, I have a pen. I have an apple. Oh, pen, pineapple, apple, pen. Oh, oh. What the hell? Fuck this fucking thing. I will fuck you. That fucking thing. I hate that fucking thing. Fuckers. What the hell? Fuck. Fucking this. Fuck you. I will pass it. I will find you and I will kill you. Sorry for watching, but I hope you see this video and subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Ahmed Arabi.